All right, what's up guys? I'm Simon here with Z1 Off-Road, and today we're going to be installing our D41 Frontier Phone Mount. Kit's going to come with a few things here. You come with obviously the phone mount bracket, and then our phone mount as well. It's a magnetic mount. We optioned for the one with the wireless charger. We've got a nice box. Charger, I actually already unboxed this earlier. It's even nicer than this. Comes with the charger, comes with the Allen key that you'll need for the install, and the ball and Allen screw. So yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is take Phillips head screwdriver and we're going to remove the glove box. Sounds like a lot, but it's not. It's actually super easy. So I'll show you how to do it. All right, so I got my Phillips head screwdriver. I'll pop this open and we'll take out the screws along the top. There's going to be three, 1, 2, 3 on the top and then 2 on the bottom. Pull these out and I'm just going to toss these right in the cup holder for now. Next thing I'm going to do over here on the side, we got the weather strip here. Just going to pull this out a little bit. I'm going to open this back up. I'm actually going to remove this cover, and that'll give me a place to pull from. Pull out on the glove box. There we go, nice and easy. So I'm going to grab the phone mount bracket, and it is going to go right here. So it's much easier to install the magnet ball on the bracket before it's in place on the truck. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually take this. Then I'm going to feed it through here. And most of the time you can get this tight enough with just the Allen key, but if yours is spinning for whatever reason, you can hold this still with just a wrench. Just an adjustable wrench will do it. Tighten that up. So this, now that we've got the ball installed on there, it's going to go right here. So this is going to go in this crease right here, which is nice and easy. But before I do that, I'm actually going to peel the tape off the adhesive right here. You actually don't have to peel the tape off this if you don't want to, but it will make the phone mount just that much stronger. As I guide this in, I'm going to make sure that the slot here is lined up with this hole so that the tape doesn't stick in the wrong spot. There's nice. There you have it. And then now we just got to put our glove box in. Undo what we just did. Pop this back up. Put our weather strip back on over here. All right, so I'm going to replace all these screws that run along the top here. All the screws that come out of the glove box are the same, so you don't have to worry about keeping track of what goes where. Now I'm going to replace the fuse box cover, so I'll just make sure the 2 little tabs line up with the slots at the bottom. Kind of peel this up and then in place. There it is. So we'll close it back up. Last thing, we got our magnet here, so we'll put this on the ball. So I got this nice and loose, just barely threaded on, snap it into place. All right, and then that is where the wireless charger plugs up to the USB. So I'm gonna grab that USB cord real quick, position this how we want it, plug this right into the bottom. We'll run this over to the USB port. So you can plug it in here. So you can set your phone on it. It comes with a little magnet ring that goes in the back of your phone case. I've actually already got one of these on my phone. So I can just set it right here, position it how I want it, pull it back off, and I'll tighten this up. So we've got our phone mount installed, looks good, feels strong. So put that on there, and there it is. So if you want a phone mount in your D41 Frontier, check this out at z1offroad.com.